How to download and install Football Manager on your laptop or PC. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device, then on the searching bar, search for Steam. Now, go to the official website of Steam. Then, make sure that you are under the home page of store. From here, on the right side, you will see searching bar icon. Simply tap on it and type Football Manager. Once you found it, simply tap on that and scroll down a little bit. There you will see add to cart option. Simply tap on it. From here, go to the view my cart and tap on continue to payment. You have to pay $39.99 and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily download Football Manager on your laptop. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.